Well, we left the campground, and me and Teddy and Darcy are over at Whipple Dam Park. And we are going to do the Whipple Lake Trail. And the others are hiking another trail, Alan Seeger, I believe. And we're going to be going back there. But this looks pretty cool because you have a pavilion here and you have a nice lake. Looks like there's a pretty bridge over there, and there's sand, so it looks like there's kind of like a beach and a little pier. But we're gonna go around it and see what it's like. So off we go. So the trail starts out kind of like this. You're surrounded by these gorgeous hemlocks everywhere, and the leaves crunching under your feet. Looks like it's yellow blazes on the trees. So we're gonna follow it, and it's supposed to go all the way around the lake. But that remains to be seen because the lake's over there. And there's like blazes up there. So we'll just keep going and see where we end up. Trail, so look at that, very pretty. It looks like mist over there on my camera,
I know,
but
that's what I was thinking too.
it's actually just brush.
Like the grayness of the trees almost make it look misty.
Yeah. So there was a little paper sign back there that said that the lake trail went up and away from the lake, but it looks like there's a path down here too, so we're just going to check this out and see how far we can get. We have a really nice clear view of the lake here, and I'm definitely feeling much better about staying by the lake. Okay, so let's go on this path by the lake and see how close we are to it. And as Darcy just said, if this was not winter, we wouldn't even be able to see the lake through all these trees. But the path is pretty wild. We got to blow down already. It's wicked. We're at a little pond here. It's a pretty little scene if you look down through the woods. So quiet back here, except for us. We're noisy. Look at that. Very pretty. Okay, so we were off trail, and now we must bushwhack up a hill to get to this thing, and it's complete wilderness through here. Oh yeah. There we go. See, she's smiling. She's smiling. Alright guys. You see the lake down there? We just came up, I don't know, 400, 500 feet up this steep ass hill through all the thorns. And finally, we're back on trail. See, we should have listened to the first sign. So we bypassed a turn somewhere, but we made it back. It wasn't very far. Something about all trails is not catching up with us today. But to be fair, I didn't have the map downloaded. It was just using GPS, so that could be it. Look at the pretty bridge. Pretty. branches coming out. Look. Oh. So throughout this path on the other side, there's a lot of these little wooden bridges. This one right here looks like a very lengthy boardwalk. So it must be pretty boggy through here at times. But it's pretty. There's still little splashes of color here and there. The orange leaves. And then you have these wild uprooted trees or split trees. Moss-covered logs. All the things I like. So we're finally out of the woods again, and we came across this area where you can see, and this is the area that we showed from across on the other side that looked kind of like mist, but it was just gray trees. They're kind of cool. Path's a little bit less wild now. And we should have a pretty good view up here with the lily pads and stuff like that on the lake. Yeah. There we go. A sign about all the insects, fish, amphibians, mammals, waterfowl, and songbirds. Wonder if that's Teddy up on the bridge there. Can't tell. Somebody fishing. So as we walk around, we see all these cool things starting to pop up. Very old, solidly built stonework, which reminds me of the CCC. Very pretty. And that's this pavilion here. I'm gonna go up there and check out what the signage says. We see Teddy over there fishing on the beach or close to it. Now he's back up in the parking lot. So let's check out these areas. I know there's information up here. A nice place for picnic tables. Yep. So Civil Conservation Corps. So you can zoom in and read some of this. It's pretty much basic information about the CCC. So I was right, they did build this. Nice work, fellas. And we're in the parking lot now, going past this little bridge, or this beach. And we're on a hunt to find Teddy. Wherever he may have disappeared to. Somewhere, somehow. So, this is the spillway. It's spilling. Look at it. I'm gonna walk on it anyway up here. Imagine you can walk on this part. But look, it's kind of like at an angle. Goes around like a big piece of pie. But it's buggy. Oh my gosh, there are bugs still out. Do you believe that?
They found you, Lovey.
Oh my gosh, just because there's water bugs.
I'm like, oh, I guess we're still on trail.
Yeah. We're walking by the spillway though. It is pretty. See if I can get up here a little. Now you're just gonna see the fence railing. I'll turn you back down when we get close down there. So here's a different perspective. Goes down, and there's a couple levels to get to the bottom. But that water's cold. So here's from the bridge. Little man-made waterfalls. And over there, supposedly, we are parked. Look at this side. Now it's just calm and still.